identify as a Dodge. I'm a Charger, LOL. We did it. I'm going to a meet tonight and I'm disguising myself as a Dodge Charger. This is how the rules work these days. So I identify as a Dodge. This is just to clarify if you see this side first. I've actually never heard of this meet before. And Jaren's on our way right now. I've never heard of this meet before, but it's called Monday Night. I think it's Monday Night Madness. Apparently there's a bunch of people that show up and it's really cool. So I'm gonna go. They apparently have a spot for me because I haven't been to a meet in I think like 4 or 5 years. Sorry guys. First things first, it's time to wash the car. I drive this car a little, kind of frequently. You can kind of see it's just like, it's a little dirty. The wheels are kind of nasty. Yeah, they're real nasty. It's for sale, but that doesn't mean I can't drive it. So I do be driving it. It's gonna clean it up. We're gonna be using some Griots. Actually, the product I'm going to be using is amazing, especially because it's cold outside and I'm not gonna be using a pressure washer. I'm gonna be using ceramic wash and coat. It's an amazing way to do a rinseless wash. You can also use a foam cannon with it, but we're gonna do a little ceramic wash and coat. I have a code for you guys, by the way. Do me a favor, check out Griots Garage Products and see what you guys might get for yourself. I know a lot of you guys have cars of your own and you need to take care of them. So Griots is a family-owned company and all their liquid car care products are of course made right here in the USA by their own full-time chemists. They don't rob or share any other stuff from any other competitors or companies. They make all their stuff. We are putting Jaren to work. How you doing down there?
My arm really hurts.
I don't know what I did last time. I washed this thing, but there's a lot of water spots everywhere, so we're getting that off. I'm really excited. I haven't taken this thing to an event, to a car meet ever. Aside from what we did, Jaren was reminding me about 1.5 years ago, I haven't been to a meet at all in Dallas in about 4 years. Especially before I sell this thing, it'll be fun to get around and have some fun in it and show Dallas what it's all about. Hey Jaren, look right there.
What is that?
You like it?
What is it?
You rode in that car before. That's the car you rode in. It's a little different now. I got something to show you guys. They haven't seen it yet.
Oh, that's so bad.
It's cold. It's time to go, ladies and gents. I got some gaff tape on my lip. Hopefully driving around Dallas, I don't destroy my splitter. We got the gang out. The gang's out. The Lexus is loud. The FRS. Woo! The Toyota badge. Damn! Oh shoot! I'm a Charger. What are you doing with a Charger? Why are you gonna play with a Charger like that? I'm a Dodge. Dang, there's a lot of people here. Oh, I hear some pops. God's biggest truck is behind us. What's up, guys? He told me to go to the VIP section.
Oh yeah, just all the way straight.
All the way straight? Okay.
Follow me.
Okay, thanks, man. Oh yeah, brother. Oh, damn, look at this dude. This dude's spitting flames, boy.
I love the Miata. I just want to look at the Miata.
This guy is actually just spitting flames straight up.
It's not going to be able to get home because there's no gas left.
I don't have a fire extinguisher in this vehicle, so.
Oh, look into that.
Oh, dude, engine definitely gonna blow. This right here? Who? Will Ryan?
Oh, you got a crown.
I haven't been, apparently that's a TikToker.
I think so.
There's a lot of people here. I get so nervous. My butt, guys, say goodbye to the butt warmer. I'm putting my double jacket on. It's cold as hell. Oh, we lost a little bit of tape. We lost a little tape, Jaron. Ah, there we go. We lose the, okay, no, we're still good. Flexed up right now. Got the see-through with the Ferrari. Damn. There you go, Jaron.
That one looks like mine more.
It looks like this one is a little crazy. It has carbon fiber.
The difference is this.
His is supercharged.
Wow.
Yours
okay.
is turbo.
Yeah.
That was awesome. Let me rev it?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get
Don't
some.
get so far like that, dude.
He caught on fire?
Yeah. Daddy's not gonna be happy with that. He's like 18.
Is it a kid? Oh, with the GT3? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
Oh, brutal.
You want me to go out?
Keeps on trying to airdrop me. Stop it.
Flock of birds.
Yeah, mine doesn't do that. So my car doesn't, this car doesn't do that. What happens if I just rev it right?
Enjoying yourself so far?
It's good, man. It's great, yeah. This is a good time. I don't know. I think it might be the Ferrari.
Oh, okay, no, I wouldn't.
What car is revving right now?
Ferrari 458.
That's the 458?
The green one.
Did it, somebody said it.
Porsche right back there caught fire.
The GT3.
Well, I mean, I'm not really surprised. It sounded like it could have any time.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
It doesn't do the big pops, so it's not as cool. I'm sorry. I did, man. How you doing, brother? Here. Hour number 3. They still don't know I'm not a Charger. Dude, so this is so funny. So this is a Harley Davidson, and like they don't care. Cops show up, and people, because they know they can't get kicked out, they just started two-stepping and stuff. Cops can't do anything. It's really funny. I haven't been in the cars, like the Dallas car scene, in a long time, but it's ironic because like that's where I started. That's kind of where I started doing YouTube videos, like doing cars and coffee back in the day. So it's been really cool to come out and meeting everybody again and seeing everybody again has been really rad. So what's up, dude? Wow, I know.
I just want to say you're the inspiration for me making these videos, bro. Keep it
That's
up.
awesome.
Appreciate
Hey, keep
you
it
so
up,
much.
bro. Keep going.
Wake up or take up your time. Name's Luke.
I have felt the love. It has been really awesome to see you guys and talk to you guys again. I will definitely be coming back out try and bring out my IS or something. So you guys come out. I'll do the 2-step competition and you guys can hang out with us. See you, man.
Later.
That was good. You did a good job.
She did good, ladies and gents. I am really impressed with how disgusting the wheels get. These were squeaky clean as we were leaving. And the whole car is dirty again because it was lightly misting and raining. So we got a bunch of water and dirt and blah, 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 blah. The water has like beat it up and you can see it doing that, but it's gonna dry anyways. Oh yeah, actually you can kind of see it. You can see that the water's like beating. So shout out to Griot's. Make sure you guys use my code. That was fun. That was pretty cool to be at a meet again. It's been a really long time. I didn't even know if I wanted to like vlog this at all, but you know, I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm trying harder to just like, this would have been like a prime opportunity to film. And today it's like, well, I got so much cool stuff in my shop. I'm like, you know what? No, I'm just gonna go old school, kick it old school, do a little car meet vlog. And I think I'll be back though. I'm gonna bring something that does like some crazy 2-step. I really think I'm gonna bring my IS. After the wheel reveal on that one, it's gonna be nuts. To wrap this up, dude, I just want to say thank you guys. This is the first event, I keep saying this, that I've been to. Oh my god, I can't get this. There you go. First event I've been to in literally like, it's been 4 years. One of the reasons I hadn't been going to events is just because like, well, for one, COVID happened, I guess, but like my anxiety was bad and I just didn't like being in front of people. And you know, it was just always, it was weird for a little while for me. And so I kind of like blocked out getting in front of you guys and hanging out with you guys and meeting you guys for a long time. And I don't know, regardless, especially regardless of how well this video performs or how many views it gets, whatever. I really wanted to just kind of like experience doing a little micro vlog, if you will, at a meet again. And I gotta say, like, it was awesome. Being able to see you guys in person is so cool because I don't know, I do this all the time. I've done this for 12 years now. And putting faces to the audience and hearing your stories about how like my videos and my advice towards the end of these, you know, my videos actually is helping you, and for some of you, maybe even keeping you alive. That's so important. And, you know, I will say I'm sorry I took such a hiatus of being out in events. Like, I mean, I haven't gone to SEMA. I've not gone to LZ Invitational stuff. Like, I haven't gone to hang out with TJ in California. I just haven't done anything because, like, I think it's a big mix of my depression too, anxiety, and I just, like, haven't wanted to be in front of people. It was cool, you know, it's definitely interesting because, like, I know from a lot of people's perspective, I'm kind of an old dog now. Like, cause I guess I was an OG of YouTube. Like, I was one of the first automotive YouTubers, so people know who I am, and it's really cool to be out there and people's, you know, people to this day still know who I am. But it's also weird at the same time too, because I know a lot of people think that I'm just like, I am a YouTuber or I was a YouTuber, but like for me, I feel like I'm still just getting started. I still want to be active and I still want to do some cool stuff. So I would definitely expect to see me, especially if you're in DFW, I'd expect to see me at some more events. Obviously, I'm going to be competing next year, drifting. I'll be doing some drag racing stuff. I'll be doing some time attack if I can fit that in the schedule as well. But like, you know, those are different types of events. But like, you know, the car scene, the car meets, being in the DFW scene, you know, I feel like I owe it to you guys to at least come and hang out and see you guys do some dumb stuff. So I don't know, it was cool. I felt the love. It was awesome to be out there again and just see you guys, talk to you guys, meet some of you guys. I'm seeing familiar faces. Some of the people that I even met, you know, 10 years ago, 8 years ago, 6 years ago. Like you had to have your parents with you to meet me, you know, the first time we met. And now, you know, some of these guys are 20-something-year-old men now, and it's like, oh my God, it's like I feel like a dad now, which I quite literally am. I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching this video, and I really didn't know what to do about this, but I honestly, something I felt compelled to make a video about this. As simple as it was, I didn't really get too much crazy footage about it, but I don't know, it was cool just to be with my sister and hang out with you guys. And I think one of the things I want to say, I give you guys daily advice. I think one of the most common things that I have to say to a lot of people that ask me questions when I meet you guys. For the most of you, some of you are young, most of you are young, you're entrepreneurs, you're starting businesses, whatever. And a lot of people always ask, like, what can I do better? What's your advice? You know, I'm an aspiring YouTuber, or I just started a business. And it sucks because, like, the only thing I can ever tell you is just work. Something that's crazy that even, like, you wouldn't understand about me is I'm still, like, you know, I know you guys see that I have all these cool cars and all this cool stuff's happening, and I have a family and a big garage and this, that, and that, but, like, I'm still learning as well. I'm 28 years old and I'm still, like, and I've done YouTube for 12 years. I'm still learning YouTube. I'm still learning business. I'm still doing the best that I can each and every day. So if I have any advice to lend any of you guys today, it's to constantly adapt to everything. People come and go, trends come and go, metas come and go, but you can be here as long as you are adapting. As long as you are working hard, as long as you are giving it your all, and it's insane to me, honestly. I'm not going to talk too much longer, but it's been cool, honestly. I guess that's the last thing I'll say. It was amazing seeing a lot of you guys, a lot of y'all grown up, and even some of you newer, you know, young, 16, 17, 18-year-old. Like, it's crazy. I've been making videos since you were like 4, 5, and 6, bro. Absolutely wild. Back to, this one was for the OGs, back to making cars and coffee videos in my red STI, man. I'll bring the STI out to a meet. I think the next car I'm gonna bring out is my Lexus, and I'm entering into the 2-step contest, and I'm gonna win. I'll announce it. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram, my Twitter as well. It's always in the description, by the way. I try and keep you guys updated on my stories, especially, so watch my Instagram stories. I don't know if that's like an outdated thing now, but I think that's really easy for me to tell you guys what I'm doing for the day. So, love you guys, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.